Right, here we got the Reliance manifold, and it comes normally with ball valve and vents. When you put in one tail on each side, so you can see. Now then, these spaces are 210 millimeters apart. Majority are 210 millimeters apart, with the exception of the Ivar manifold, which is 200 millimeters apart. So it has implications which I'll talk about later on. But this has a Eurocone thread, and I've just taken out an Amity 2419 thread which will not screw on there. It's an easy pitfall. Okay, whereas the 2419, the Eurocone thread will screw straight on there, no problem. Like so. That's the Reliance one. Now then, there. Oh, let's show the pump set how it goes a second, thinking of it. Right, each pump has an arrow on it. Now then, if this pump is pointing the wrong way, it will not circulate the heat. So this is the flow. It needs to pump up, down through, back up through there, back down, and back down the system. And that's how it operates. It's a typical thing. Somebody says my thing's not going, and they've not got it fitted up correctly. I don't know why we got this. Yeah, I've done this wrong actually, because that one should be on the bottom. Which means that's the wrong way now, which will need to go on there. Which is rather fiddly, to say the least. So you're going to that goes into there, but I can't find. Hang on. Oh, it goes that way. Sorry. Right, that screws into there. Okay, and now what this does is this regulates the temperature of the water going into the system. If there's not enough temperature, the people complain it's not hot enough, they need to increase this. However, sometimes people want to put that pump on the other side. Now then, this can be swapped around to the other side. Which can go onto there.
Is it just a Reliance one that's like that?
It's only the Reliance one like that. Which then goes like that. Okay? And it's still the same. No, right, hang on then. Let's move it down to cut it.
That's it.
Right. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Right. This valve can be fitted on this side. If the connections are coming in on the right hand side opposed to the left. Now then, with this particular valve, because you could swap this around as we did earlier, you can actually screw this in there to make the connection points coming in here, and these are 3/4 of an inch. Or you can swap it and put it that way, so that you can have the connections coming in that way.
Yeah.
And bearing in mind that if this is the other way round, you can swivel that round there, and then you can have it coming in the other way. What am I doing? Wrong way round? No, it's right way round. So that goes into there. So that then you can have the connections coming in there, like that way, or again you can swap it so you can have it coming up from the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's the Reliance one. I believe that's the only one you can do the swapping around with. I'm going to leave you put that away after, Cam. Alright?
Yep.
Let's chuck it all on the floor.